Know these planning factors to grow, scale, and win. Let's deep dive and discuss three strategic planning avenues to do. Number one, define your business goals. Once you know where you're heading at the 30,000-foot view and what you are up against from an industry and competitive perspective, now you are in a position to start drilling down into specific business goals that will enable you to achieve that vision. Your goals are the specific outcomes you are trying to achieve. This could include things like changes to product offering, sales and marketing strategies, financial resources, operational efficiencies, employee culture, financial targets, and beyond. What high level things need to happen to make your vision a reality? Next is drill down to department level objectives. As we continue to peel back the layers of the onion, now we need to decide what specific objectives and initiatives do we need to implement to help the company achieve each of its business goals. This is typically done department by department within the company, setting specific objectives for the product team, sales and marketing, operation, technology, finance, and human resources. For example, a business goal might be improve company morale, and a specific objective of the HR department to support that goal might be launch new employee benefits. You should limit all department level goals to the handful of items that the department can rally around in 1 year. And these objectives need to be made SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, results focused, and time bound. And lastly, determine staffing, budget, and financing needs. Once all the departmental needs have been defined and quantified, now you're able to aggregate them up into one centralized company plan, organizational structure, and budget. If you don't have the full financial resources you need to achieve the plan, you have one of two choices. One, lower your targets to a level you can more easily afford, or two, raise the capital required for you to achieve your full plan.